What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be setting off some neat fireworks.
Move, kid, move!
You told me to move. This is where we'll be doing it. Nice and dark. Look at the moon. Ain't it beautiful?
Careful, there's glass all over there usually.
Yeah, it's all spooky. Yeah, 1 second. Let me turn on.
Oh. Are you guys ready? Ready?
Yeah.
We're going to skip across the field.
Coyote here.
Let's go.
Yeah. Sorry if you can't see me. It's just... Oh, we have a special guest. My friend Jackson. We have a special guest.
I think we're going too far.
But yeah, our special guest, Jackson. Say hi, mysterious figure. Yeah. We're gonna set up right there. He's holding the fireworks.
Yeah. Switch your camera.
This is a
right?
big event. Not while I'm recording.
Oh my God.
But yeah. This will also double as a plush review. Oh, look at those. Look at those beauties.
Sounds like gunshots.
And I'm gonna do a live performance of the Phineas and Ferb theme song. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So this. All right. Let me get to some light. I'll cut to when there is some. Okay, so we're back. We found a bright area. So today we are going to be reviewing the. Anyway, I'll cut to the. So 1 second. Let us get the hat on. So we have for our plush review this absolute stallion of a bootleg. It may not be official, but it looks pretty cool. Anyway, but yeah, this absolute bootleg stallion is worth the $13 and 5 cents of shipping. I paid for him. His hat can come off, but I'd highly recommend because it's bald. But yeah, he's bald. I'd highly recommend getting him. So now to the fireworks show. Ooh, people. Yeah, fireworks.
Give me a stick.
No.
Huh?
I'm just trying to locate where the fireworks are. Oh! Ha! Look at that! Look at that, my proud viewers! Aha! Look at that one!
I think it went into the tree.
God. I used to like fireworks out there all the time.
Yeah, look, my dear viewers. Oh, look, a laser! A laser!
I had a Roman candle ward here.
Look for purple, my dude. So, individual, what's your thoughts on the fireworks show so far?
Why the fuck are you calling me individual?
Just speak.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, there's more to come. See, folks, they're prepping more at the ready. So, viewers, prepare for another big burst of fireworks. With our guest, Jackson.
They can't see me. It's going that way.
They can't see any of us, dude.
Okay. Don't sit down, okay?
The fireworks are the only things that illuminate our faces. But anyway, yeah, it's amazing.
I'm gonna stay all the way back here because it goes fast, bro.
You want to go sit down on the gas? You want to go sit on the gas?
Can
But
you
yeah.
stay here, Aries?
Yeah, we're staying here.
Because I'm not going that close.
This is the perfect vantage point.
Yeah, because then you can see it actually go up.
Yeah. Oh, look! More!
It's going off.
More!
It's going. Oh.
Oh, it's green! I'm backing up. Why are they launching at me? But yeah, that was another part of the fireworks show. Why were they launching at? Why were they launching at us?
It was a zombie attack.
It was a zombie attack.
Jackson, up this way, please.
Sorry, they were chasing us and it scared me.
You're golden, but
Can we
come
go
up
over
this
there?
way.
Can we go
I'm
over
trying
there?
to record a
And
YouTube
that
video.
corner, yes, but not past the grass.
Okay. We're gonna stay right here, Aries.
Yeah, we're
That was so close. I thought that one of the actions was gonna hit me. Yeah, stay here. Let's stay here. Just
here, over here, okay?
Yeah,
This is a little bit safer.
yeah, because I thought the one was gonna hit me.
But yeah, so far the fireworks show has been electric. No interruptions from the zombies. Everything's quite peachy.
This is fucking sick. I can record on my camera,
It's
and I
pretty
can have like,
smoky.
we can have both sides of recording, okay?
Yeah.
I'll
And
send you the
our
footage,
special
too.
guest is going to start recording for his channel now.
And then we're gonna put
Don't
it all
forget to
together.
subscribe to Noob Zero King on YouTube.
Yeah, I got a camera.
Don't forget to check out my TikTok, the Aries Zone TikTok. And don't forget to check out my Twitch, the Aries Zone Live. Another electric part in the fireworks show is about to occur. Sorry for my cowardice and y'all not getting to see a bunch of the last part. But anyway, yeah. Sorry this video's so dark. It's recorded at 10:03 at night.
It is?
It is 10:03. Yeah.
What the hell? That's fucking crazy. Okay,
But yeah,
recording this
we're just waiting for the next burst of fireworks for y'all's entertainment.
Yo, my camera sucks, bro. Like, it sucks.
Hey, my camera sucks. Comment on the video, Aries' camera sucks. Alright.
Fucking
It
sick, the other ones.
It appears we're about to have...
I cannot even...
Also, if you're a minor and you've watched in this far, there is swearing, so please leave. I don't know how you even found this video.
Should do a live stream.
But anyway,
Should do a live stream on Twitch.
I don't got internet.
Oh, yeah.
But anyway,
Where's the laser? I don't see the laser.
it was flashing up there. You can review the video. But anyway, yeah. This is the area. We're just waiting for another
People
firework.
are coming to see our stuff. They shouldn't be here because we're the only ones supposed to be here.
We're just waiting for more fireworks at the moment.
Sorry, I'm not trying to sound angry.
It's alright, I know. You just want to help
Man, I'm
light
just gonna
it.
be the lighting guy, okay?
No, you can still
I'm
record
gonna be
too.
the lighting guy.
Okay. But yeah, anyway, more fireworks should be happening soon. Also, from me and my pal, Happy Canada Day! Say it happy.
Happy Canada Day.
Happy
yeah.
Canada Day, mates!
What the shit?
What are those? They keep... yeah.
These zombies are coming. Bro, what the zombies are coming.
Yeah. There should be more firing off any second now.
Yeah, I think
A little light over here. Yeah, there should be more flashing out any second now. Or we could be out of them. Who knows? It's alright with the light now. The next firework blast should be in a little bit. We'll do interviews after the event.
I'll be the interviewer. Can I be the interviewer?
Yes.
Me and you both. But I'll be like the one recording it. Is that okay?
No, you'll be the interviewer. I'll
No,
record
can
it.
I please?
All right. We're going to interview some people after. More fireworks are about to go off, folks. This is your number one station for fireworks. Be right back after this set of breaks.
Have you ever had problems?
Oh, never mind. We're back from the break. Oh, God.
That stuff was coming down. It wasn't like stopping.
Yeah, it wasn't stopping. Oh, that might be a little dangerous. But anyway, now for our brief.
Perfect half moon, bro.
Now for a brief intermission. The moon.
Aries, the Aries bear. Aries, the moon.
Aries, the moon guy. How did I get here? The end. Welcome back to your regular scheduled Aries programming. Of course, I'm your host, Aries.
And I'm the co-host.
He's the co-host. We're out here preparing for another exciting batch of fireworks, ain't that right?
Yes.
All right.
I'm the light guy. And the interviewer.
Okay, so we're gonna go interview some people before the fireworks. Never mind.
I love
Sorry. Anyway, back to our interview. We'll interview after. Time for some more exciting fireworks.
If it comes off anytime soon.
It should be coming off any second. Any second now. Meow, 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 meow. Now, time for Perry the Platypus impressions. Your turn. And that is it for our segment, Perry the Platypus. And
That looks so.
fireworks are about to go back off. Prepared for another one? Let's see. This has been Aries News.
It's going off, it's going off. Look at that one, it was still going down.
Welcome back to Aries News. Anyway, time for our daily Phoenix Cam segment. I know you all love those. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. You know what? Never mind of the Phoenix Cam. Wait! These are heavy hitter fireworks. We almost missed that one on camera. Because we were running back to the recording station. All right, here's a...
Okay, we're gonna go see this, I think.
We're gonna get a little closer.
Because I think this one's gonna be a little one.
Oh, other ones are coming from the other side.
We're gonna get ambushed, bro.
We're getting ambushed. Or at least that's what our
We're getting
ground
ambushed.
correspondent says.
I think we're getting
We're going
ambushed
to
by aliens.
let's cut to interviews. More fireworks.
Okay, let's go interview my mom.
All right, let's cut to interviews. Are you seeing this? All right, go.
Fireworks.
I'm liking them so far.
Oh, forgot. Oopsie doopsie.
I'm liking them so far.
Okay. There's a moon! I see a moon! There's missiles! Oh, God, it's missiles! Oh, it's missiles! Oh, it's missiles! Oh, sorry. Aries News gets a little cut short because of missiles. So how are you liking the fireworks so far?
Really good.
What's your favorite part about them?
Thinking that I'm going to kill Jackson someday.
Okay. All right. This was Aries and that's Jackson. Thank you for watching Aries
I'm about to punch
News.
somebody.